Hi there. In this video, we will be going over negative exponents. So this is the pretty easy to remember rule right here, where if you have a negative exponent, then your term becomes 1 over that whole thing, except the exponent is no longer negative. All you really need to know for this is what an exponent is, and this method of writing it, which if you have so many a's, so a to the x is however many a's that is. So that's 1a, 2a, 3a. These three dots represent what's in between, and then xa's. So say we had a to the fifth. This would be 1a, 2a, 3a, the three dots, which in this case just represent the fourth. Then 5a's. If this were a to the 20 though, so this isn't that much shorter. But if this were a to the 20, then we could rewrite it as 1a, and you don't need these numbers down here, I just put them here to help keep track of the numbers as I'm doing this. Usually you don't write the numbers. So that's 1a, 2a, 3a, then the dots would represent everything between 3 and 20 if this were a to the 20. And then the last one, of course, would be the 20th a. So it would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I would go over, and then that would be 20. Back to this. So it might be a little confusing how we get this if you're not familiar with exponents. So I'll try and reason through it. A to the 1 power is just a. A to the second power is 2a's, so a. And this could keep going up. But what if so that we're multiplying. So moving backwards then, going from 2 to 1, is dividing by a. So hopefully you start to see the pattern here. So starting at 2 minus 1 is 1, so a to the 1 is a. Now a to the 0 would be a over a, or 1. And this is another exponent property, but a little bit of a preview here. So is 1. So what would a to the negative 1 be? Well, we would take what we have so far, which is just 1, divided by a. So we would keep dividing instead of multiplying if it is a negative exponent. So you could keep going here, where a to the negative 2 is 1 over a squared. Or, I guess, to go along with this, that's 1 over a divided by a. So hopefully you know your fraction divisions. In this case, it becomes 1 over a times 1 over a. And of course, then that is 1 over a squared. And this keeps going, where if then we did it again divided by a, and that's 1 over a squared over a again, dividing fractions, 1 over a squared times 1 over a. So this would keep going. So a to the negative 3 is 1 over a cubed. That's a little better. So this was a pretty quick one, but pretty important to understand, especially as we go into the quotient rule, which is going to be the next video. Hopefully this helped any questions you might have had about negative exponents. If you have more, feel free to comment in the description, in the comments. I will have links into this in the description to other videos that are pertinent. In this, I'll just be linking to the main exponent video I have, and other videos will likely link to this one. So I will see you in the next video.